Good morning. We'll be starting with lecture number 4 from unit number 1. Topic which I am going to cover is the identifiers in IoT. What are identifiers? In any system of interacting components, identification of these components is needed in order to ensure the correct composition and operation of the system. These applications of the assembly and commissioning of the system is also relevant for the system operation, especially in case of flexible and dynamic interaction between the system components. In general, an identifier is a pattern to uniquely identify a signal entity or a class of entities with a specific content. Depending on the application and user, needs various types of identifiers with different requirements which are needed. These include identifiers for user identification, service identification, device identification, things identification, communication identification, data and location. So, the different identifiers in the IoT, if we can see, is the user identifier, which is going to identify the humans and the software applications. We have the service identifiers, the different services which are being there. So we are going to have the service identifiers. Device identifiers or the things identifiers. So these are the IoT devices who are going to send and receive the data. Things identifier, what are the things which are connected to the devices. So those are the different things identifier. We have one more important part, that is virtual entity, which links the things and the virtual entity. So the thing identifiers which are there, which are going to link your things, services and the devices. Things also interact with the user. And last and the most important, that is the communication identifier. So we will be seeing all these identifiers one by one. This diagram is important for the identifiers. So things identifier. Things are at the center of the IoT, and unique identification of things is prerequisite for the IoT system. The thing is the object that is of interest to the user. Things can be any kind of object. Examples of thing: traffic flow at the insertion, climate at the specific location, human fitness and the human conditions for your healthcare, farming, animals, field aids, then vehicles and the content tracking for the logistic, goods along with the life cycle for the manufacturing, the devices at home which will be connected, and softwares, ebooks, music and videos. So all these different things will be having the various identifiers for that particular thing. How we are going to decide the identifiers? Identification can be based on the inherent pattern of the thing itself. So maybe the humans, depends upon the retina or the biometrics. So these are the whatever are the patterns which are used. In most cases, is a specific pattern is added by the technical means. So we are having the barcodes, we are having the some numbers which are being printed, we have the RFID tags, we have the serial numbers. So in this way we can go for the identifiers. Identification is already used for a long time and may often application area specific solution exists. So we are already using the identifiers for the packaging, for the what we can say the different numbers for the RFID tags, for the IC. So we have the different identifiers. So in this way we can go for the identifiers for the URL, identifiers for the products and the packages, for the RFIDs, construction and facility management, smart transducers, books, reference number and the trade items. Users often prefer their own identification scheme. Things, IoT devices and virtual entities. Things are the objects that are of interest to the user. A thing can be made up of set of things. The whole system can be a thing. IoT devices interact with the thing, providing information about the thing and manipulating it. A IoT device can be thing in case of user in internet. For example, doing maintenance and management of the IoT devices. Things can be integrated IoT devices. Virtual entities represent things in the digital world. Identifiers provide the linkage between the things and the virtual entities. Communication identifiers. Communication identifiers define source and destination of the communication relation. Communication identifiers must be unique within the boundaries of the specific network and layer. Identifiers are bounded on the specific communication technology and defined as a part of the standardization of the technology. So, the communication standards, that is from the network link layer to the network layer, how the data will be flowing from the source to the destination and how these identifiers are used. Depending on the network size and the routing approach, the identifiers may have a structure that reflects the network topology. IP address and phone number reflect the topology. MAC address does not reflect the topology but have a vendor information in order to ensure the global uniqueness. Communication identifiers should not be used as a thing identifiers. Communication addresses can change as the things move. When a network interface is replaced, when the network topology is changed. Not all things have common interface. Some things may have more than one communication interface. Security and privacy. For security reasons, authentication may be needed to validate the claims asserted by the identifiers. Authentication may apply for all the components in the IoT system, human users, software applications, IoT devices, and things. Identifiers may raise privacy concern for personal data. This is not only related to the identifiers of human itself, but it also for the things identifiers in case the things can be related to human activities like, for example, cars, smartphones, smartwatches. Data protection can be an issue for all kinds of things in order to protect, for example, intellectual property and other sensitive company data. IoT identifiers issue. Various categories of the identifiers and their demarcation is needed. Variety of existing standards and ongoing standardization activities is to be done. Interoperability of the identifiers within and across domain is needed. Support of the legacy is needed for the identifiers. Support of multiple identifier system is needed. Security, privacy and data protection. So these are all the issues related to the identifiers. Thank you.